Hello, everyone! The radiator of the cabin heater in my car got clogged, so instead of hot air, cold air started blowing out of the ventilation deflectors. I flushed the heater core, and the cabin became warm again. But let's imagine that the problem wasn't with the heater core and the cabin was still cold. What could be the problem then? The problem could be the engine cooling system pump or thermostat, or it could be the climate control unit or the ventilation flap actuator. In this video, let's try to adapt the climate control flaps because if the flaps get stuck, cold air will blow out of the ventilation deflectors. To adapt the climate control flaps, we will need a diagnostic cable, which needs to be connected to the OBD2 connector under the steering column. Connect the diagnostic cable to the computer and launch the car diagnostic software. Open the program and go to the control blocks, where you need to select the 8th block, which is the air conditioning and heater electronics. Wait until the scanner establishes a connection with the block, then select the Basic Parameters function. Enter the first group and press Read, after which all the flaps should take their extreme positions. Values start changing in special windows, and you can hear the motors working and the climate control flaps moving around the central panel. At the end of the test, the values in the windows should be set to 0. I see that all my groups have zeros except for the last window. For some reason, there is a value of 53 remaining, and I hear the motor of one flap constantly moving. Many owners of similar cars write on the internet that there are values remaining in the 10th group. But I think that since the manual says that all values should return to 0, the last window should show a 0. Most likely, one of the flaps in the car is in a suspended state. Just for the sake of curiosity, I go to the basic functions and select fault codes. I see that there are no errors in the climate control block, which means that the control unit doesn't find any errors with the flaps. Do you think the adaptation of the flaps was successful? Write your opinion in the comments. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye.